Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jayla Koriyan. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss an upload. Your girl is getting ready to go to the mall. Look, makeup already done, edges being laid down, baby. Okay, I am in my PJs and my robe because I like to walking around the house warm, but it is warm outside and we need to get some sunshine. So your girl is about to continue getting ready. I don't know what I'm wearing, so we need to figure it out. Wee! Tell the girls hi. Hey Malibu, you're gonna tell the girls hi. The gang's here. Okay, that's all the loves for the day. You guys gonna help me pick out my outfit? Pick my outfit out. Okay, let me show you guys some few options. Hold on, guys. I'm bringing them out. Okay, look, guys. Hey, what do you think about this pink dress? This is giving like date night, but we're just going to the mall to see what's in there. Maybe Zara has some cute stuff, you know? No to the pink? Okay, no to the pink. Hold on. This like nude jumpsuit. Nala, you don't like this one? What do we think about this? It's kind of tight and it looks cute, but then I'm like, it might be showing too much booby for the mall, so go back in here. Hold on, guys. Okay, and now I'm thinking maybe t-shirt and jeans. You know, chill vibes. Like this, and then like a cute little bag and some sandals. All right, guys, I decided I wanted to look a little bit cuter, and I pulled out this outfit from my closet. This outfit is actually from Amazon. I saw these super cute pants. You guys know Amazon actually has really cute stuff, especially when they partner with influencers and different people to release different pieces. So what I really like about this top is that this top can go different ways. It can actually wrap around the front and then tie in the back like this, or if you flip the top upside down, you can make it go up, or you can cross it in the front like this and then go up. Let me do it right. Cross it like this. You can really do whatever. I really like wearing it crossed. But the last time I wore it crossed, I flipped it. Okay, so when I have the shirt flipped upside down, then these top parts are at the top. And what I thought was really cute was to crisscross the top like this. And then tie it. This top looks really good when your hair is pulled back, like so you can see it. Boom. And boom, this is how this top looks. Super cute. Love the pants. That's how the pants look. I just have on some sandals that's kind of like strapped up. And this is my outfit. I can pair this outfit with any of my like little cream bags. I can do the YSL. I can do this. It doesn't hold enough in here. I need like some cards or stuff as we're going to the mall. But then I'm ready to go. I could put on some bangles. I could have more earrings, like some hoops. Could do hoops. Should I just do studs or should I do a hoop? Studs. Let's do hoop. Lip gloss, lip liner. Boom. No, guys, before we leave out the house, we have to step out the house smelling good. Now, girl, if you're not stepping out the house smelling good, stop, what are you doing? And I know that fragrances can cost a lot of money, but that is why you can try out a plethora of fragrances from Scentbird. They have a monthly subscription for $16 where you can try new fragrances. You already know your girl got some new fragrances. Now it is a must as a woman to step out the house smelling good. You know, it just does something when someone smells you on the elevator or walking past you, like, oh, you smell good. It's really a good compliment to have. This summer is all about testing out a lot. Fragrances can cost a lot, $200 and up, when you don't even know if you like it. You don't know what scent you like. You don't know if that's the one for you. And you know, fragrances have to be compatible with your body scent as well. Fragrances can smell different on everyone. So my new fragrances come in a pouch like this, and when you pull it out, it is in a container like this. These come in different colors, so you can switch them out. You want to twist it up, and when you pull it out, this is the fragrance. So this scent right here is Very Neat Goodbye, and I must say this one might be my favorite scent that I got this month. So this one has orange blossom, jasmine, tuberose, and pink pepper. And when I say my favorite scent is girly, fruity, this one right here, this a bad smell right here. Like, I would completely do a double take, like 100% wearing this on date night. You gotta try her. She smells so good. Girl, if you haven't been spoiling yourself with fragrances, you need to start. These smell so good. So this next scent, I'm about to pull her out. Now this is the green bottle. Twist it up to use it. And this is Oscar de la Renta Albi. And when I say this smells so sweet, I love sweet scents. Now this has mandarin in it, so I definitely smell the mandarin, and I also smell the vanilla orchid. You guys, this smell, if you're into fresh, airy, sweet smells, this one is for you. These two scents smell absolutely amazing. I don't know which one I'm going to wear today and put in my purse to go with me. The last scent that I've been trying out this month comes in a white tube. Love the white tube. Twist up, pull it out. Now this is Broomy. It is cedar wood and vanilla. Now honestly, this is a fragrance that I would not typically go for because it has that like wood vanilla smell, and I am a sweet girl. However, this smells really good as well, and I like that I have the chance to try things that I wouldn't normally go for, you know. This smell smells earthy. It has orange, jasmine, rose, and vanilla in it. However, I don't smell so much of that orange. That orange is not sweet. It's definitely more earthy. So these are the new 3 fragrances that I'm trying out this month. Make sure you use my code for 30% off. So that means your first month you get to try 3 new fragrances for $11. Now, I have got to take one with me and smell good when I leave the house. It's between these two. I really love them both. So this is the fragrance by Very Neat Goodbye, and it's that sweet smell that I love. So put some here, put some here, a little there, more. And I'm also going to put this in my purse. Okay, so your girl is about ready to go. Let me make sure I got everything in my purse. Put in my perfume in here. Got my phone, got my keys, got my lip glosses, got my money, got everything. Let's hit this mall. We're ready to hit the town, and we're smelling delicious. Oh. Hi. So yeah, I'm in the mirror. Just wanted to show you guys my outfits, how these pants really look. Super cute. I love this fragrance I have on. Like, it's just, it smells good. You smell me. I smell me still, and I smell good. I'm dead. Guys, leaving Zara with our bags on a little shopping. No, hold up. We didn't got the thing beeping out here.
Do me a favor, okay. What we gonna do here? I know what it is already.
What?
Shoes. I'm gonna show you how to do it.
Hold on. Is it the camera?
I told you, hold on 1 second. Hold that.
Okay. We were here until the mall closed, but we conquered, got some cute little summer pieces. So it's lit. We wanted to go to... You already got in it.
Y'all looking beautiful.
Thank you. So, okay. So, we thought we were going to be able to go shoe shopping, Steve Madden, Aldo, but the mall's closing on us.
Unfortunately.
We need to spend no more money. No way.
Not today, but tomorrow we can.
Ah, back to the mall tomorrow. Have fun at the mall, Boopy. Tell them I enjoyed my mall time. Yeah, we had fun, didn't we? Yep. Kiss, 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 kiss. Kiss, 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 kiss. What's up, guys? I am dressed and ready for the day. I'm super excited about today because I have new arrivals releasing on Jayla's Closet, like this tie top. Now, I love a good crop top that ties, as you guys can see. So this is no different. Crisscross is in the back. I could like bring it and tie it to the back, but I thought it tying to the front was super cute. This is called the Tie Me Up top on Jayla's Closet, and I paired it with some denim shorts, some little, you know, some little Daisy Dukes or whatever, and I have on a cute little heel with this. The bag of choice today is my Christian Dior. Any chance I can wear this, I want to wear it, so this cream top looks perfect. Now on my Instagram, I paired this top with the Hold Me Tight skirt. That will be a new arrival on Jayla's Closet as well, so make sure you go to jaylascloset.com and check out the new arrivals. So I did go shopping yesterday at Zara. However, your girl also went shopping on Zara online, and I'm waiting for a package to come in today before doing a huge try on haul. So if you guys are interested in all the things that I got from Zara, that is coming soon. I'm super excited about that. But today I just felt like being cute. I want to go get dinner. Let me show you guys my heels. I also got a new little gadget in the mail from Amazon that helps me with like bringing up packages and stuff. So let me show you my shoes. Hello. So yeah, guys, I have a cute little heel on. These are from Ego Shoes. So these are the heels that I decided to pair with my look. These are from Ego Shoes. I absolutely love them, and they match perfectly with my cream top. So cream shoes, cream top, and a little shorts pair of shorts. That's what she looks like. Super fun summer look. So yeah, guys, this is my outfit. Let me show you guys the new toy though, because I need to go downstairs and get packages. This is the new toy from Amazon. Oh my god, it's gonna help your girl out so much. So she like comes like this, and I just take the little slip off. Boom. She has this that comes with it. Just unstrap her up. Guys, I'm gonna get packages. Move out the way. Beep, 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 beep. And boom. Boom. Okay. So this is my little wagon, so I do not have to carry all of my packages like in my hand trying to get them upstairs and stuff. She's pretty large. She swivels. I can pull her. This is my little wagon. I can just pull her and I'm off. I'm gonna take off my heels really quickly, go get packages. Yes, boobs. Go get packages and come back up here. But I'm wearing my heels out tonight, okay? When I'm gonna get my food, okay? I'm not even playing no games, okay? Got all my packages. here we go. Elevator. Boom. Got the packages. Alright guys, so I got a few packages. Zara came. Another Zara came. So Zara's in. Also got some more shoes from Ego Shoes. Been loving them lately, like their styles. Love them. And probably new arrivals and stuff. What? These gotta be repeat. Did I order 2 times? More shoes from Semi London. These feel like shoes too. Girl, how many shoes you need? Alright guys, we are now in my kitchen. So you guys know the past few weeks I've been having meal preps. I've been looking at different chefs here in the Atlanta area to do meal preps for me, and it is a lot of great ones, I must say. So this week I am trying Meals by Chef Jess, and girl, I already ate the lamb chop one, but I just want to show you guys what I've been having for lunch. Her meals, so good. Okay, so this is what her meals look like. We have shrimp and collard greens, fish collard greens, salmon and collard greens, steak mashed potatoes. This is some chicken and collard greens, and then I have 2 containers of seafood Alfredo. Yum. Okay, I told you I already didn't ate the lamb chop one, but girl, it's been so good. So yeah guys, these is what the meals look like from Chef Jess. They have been absolutely amazing. This is my 2nd week with her, and I would say this is my 4th or 5th week doing meal preps completely, just ordering meal preps from different chefs here in Atlanta. And like I said, it's so many great chefs here in Atlanta, but yeah, my meal preps this week I've been loving. And also when you order from Chef Jess online, you can pick your different vegetables and your different meats. So it's a lot of different variations. Like you can get white rice, the dirty rice, mashed potatoes, shrimp, fish, salmon, steak, chicken, lamb chops. You can get kale, collard greens, green beans, like the whole list is on there. So this is what I've been eating. Oh, I just want a bite. I know I'm about to go get some dinner, but like, I just want a little taste. Dang. Can a girl just taste it? Just taste it. Girl, need a little taste of something. Taste. Alright guys, so I got my packages. That's over. I'm now about to get ready to go into the office. We're releasing new arrivals on Jayla's closet, so I need to make sure that everything on the back end is all set for the new arrivals to go live. And then I need to run to the post office. Now I did open one package from today, and that is this tote. It says girls supporting girls, and I need to run to the post office, so this is perfect for me. I can throw my packages that I need to take into my little tote. So I found a tote that was super cute. And then after I handle office work and stuff, it'll probably be, what time is it? It's 5. It'll probably be like 8 or 9, and I'm thinking I want to go out and get tacos and margaritas, hang out with my friends, and that is like what I'm doing today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll be back uploading on this channel this Sunday, so make sure you turn on your notifications and that you are subscribed so you never miss an upload from your girl, and I will see you on this channel later. Bye guys.